My name is William Walls, and I'm going to tell you about my best learning experience. I was a sophomore in Principles of Engineering. We spent a lot of time in that class on projects that applied, you guessed it, Principles of Engineering. My favorite project was the Fisher-Technic marble sorter. We were given a computer program, the Fisher-Technic set, with a CPU that you could program, and 3 different color marbles. You can do pretty much anything with Fisher-Technics, from creating pinball machines to working tractors. The objective of the project was to feed the hopper 15 marbles into a machine and then run the saved program and have the machine correctly sort the 3 different color marbles into different bins. We worked in pairs for about 3 weeks. We first had to gain an understanding of all the pieces in the set and what they could do. There were building blocks like Legos, but there were also an array of motors, sensors, and switches. We played with the software and saw what all the switches did. The most important piece was the photoreceptor. This was the piece that could measure the amount of light it was receiving. So by setting a range of values for each color marble and having a sorter trigger a response if the reading was within the range, this piece was able to differentiate the different colors. Once we figured out the pieces, like how sharp and how hard together they were to fit, we were able to focus on the sorter. It needed a loading system, a place where the photoreceptor could do its magic, and a way for the marble to then get into the right bin. Everyone was drawn toward conveyor belts straight away. We decided on a gravity-fed shaft of the building blocks, like a chimney. To stop them all from falling through, we added motors with separators to the shaft. Between the 2 separators was the photoreceptor with a light directly adjacent to it. Below that was a set of 3 bins, all attached to a motor on a rail. The program would let 1 marble in, separate it from the rest, read the color, adjust the bins to the proper reading, and drop the marble in. It repeated itself 15 times, and once it read there were no more marbles, ended itself. Here is an example of pretty much what everybody else did. During this project, I not only learned a new software, but the process of designing something, starting with a problem, criteria, and constraints for success, and some tools in solving the problem.